Molly, get down. There's Ernie. February 21st. Doing his caterpillar snow plowing. And we have lots of snow. All this, and let's see, I was going to show you the back door. I've got to still shovel that. Look at all that snow we got. So I have to shovel that. The doghouse has quite an insulated white roof. So this is our little hut. Little house, little storage shed that Randy and Ernie built. Celicia lived in it this summer. And beautiful out. Just won't quit snowing. So you can see all the snow that falls off the roof there. That is going to be a porch on the side of that house. There is a door already installed, but it's past the snow, down under the snow. How much snow we got. And our snow blowed down there, and I ran out of gas. I've got to go to town and get my gas. So I ran out just in time. I got the driveway to the house done. The blue truck, Ernie just drove it a week ago. That's how much snow we got. Again. And because the snow is so deep, it doesn't look like our solar panels are too far off the ground, but they are. This is the back road. It goes down and around in the back of the house. And there's Ernie doing our road behind the house. But, as you can see, we have a big pile of snow and a dog. Hi, Molly. Get down. Back off. Pretty dog, yeah. Say hi. Okay, get down. You can't even hardly see my kitchen window. And there'll be another kitchen window above it, and a door to the left of it, coming outside, and the bathroom window. And so, a big old tree. I made a little path here. We go do laundry. And we might need the garage, so I plowed a little path. Our propane tank's over here under the snow. Ernie's got to plow it out so we can get propane. There's the road, the front of our property. And we come zooming up the hill. And, sorry about the jiggles, we go up this way to the house. The roof of the trailer. There's the pontoon boat buried.